Here's a perfect opportunity for me to show you an engine. And this is a V8 engine. Why do we call it a V8? Because it resembles a V in this direction, and it has cylinders, which is 8 cylinders for the V8. So here's 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a piston right there, and that piston moves up and down in the cylinder, and as it comes up, it compresses air. And these valves that are in the head, and this head then fits right on top of this, just like this head right does over here. The head has valves in it. Here they are. Here's an exhaust and an intake. What does that mean? Well, the intake lets the fuel mixture and air into the cylinder, and the piston comes to the top, like this one is right here. It compresses the air that's in this cavity right here, and that's called a compression ratio. Most engines now are somewhere between 8-to-1 and 10-to-1. The valves close, it compresses the air. The spark plug that you can see right here will then ignite, making a spark, and the gas will blow up, and it pushes the piston down into the hole. That's where you get your power. Now what are you going to do? Well, when the piston comes up the second time, like this one's about to do, this valve right here, I'm making you dizzy moving back and forth, I'm sure. This valve right here opens, and that's the exhaust valve. It lets exhaust out this port right here. It goes out your exhaust to the back of the motor, or back of the car, through the exhaust pipe, and that's how an engine basically works. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. If you want to see more videos about cars and how to fix them, go to my website, wilsonauto.com.